101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Hi guys.
Hi.
Okay, we'll be back right now, and this is the second segment for you guys. While we waiting our friends to join with us and discuss about our special topic tonight. I want to move to continue your statement about privilege. Um, what do you think about how the people who doesn't have privilege, I mean, in other words, unprivileged, do they can get their
Goals.
dream or goals? What do you think about it?
Okay, we know every people have like a goals. They dream that they want to be like. For example, I want to be the police. Yeah, I have to struggle. If I just like the lower class, yeah, we have to struggle. We have to study hard, training hard, exercise hard, go to the many courses,
Mhm.
working for about the course.
Mhm.
Yeah, we have to struggle what we want to be, because every people have like the goals they
Uh-huh.
dream.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they want to be the successman, even they are not like the privilege.
There are many ways to Rome,
Yeah.
right? Banyak jalan menuju rumah. But anyway, do you believe that, Wahid, the people who get privilege always maximizing their privilege?
Like,
Do you
they
get my point? I mean, people who get or have privilege, are they maximizing this privilege?
Yeah, I think it just come from their self. Yeah, I suggest, yeah, if the people have like the privilege, yeah,
Mhm.
they have to more structure. Yeah,
Mhm.
because yeah, they have like one point. It is the privilege. Yeah,
Yes.
if for example, yeah, if if the people want to continue the study in abroad,
Mhm.
yeah, they just like registration. I think, yeah, it's easy. Yeah, you have to struggle after continue study.
Mhm.
You have to study hard. Yeah, because yeah, you have like the one point. It is the privilege that that it is not. It's not. It's don't have like the many people. Yeah,
Okay.
it is like
I get
yeah.
the point. Every people who have privilege, of course, they have execution to how to maximizing this privilege, right? Okay, I move to Yusril. How do you think about the people who have a privilege? Are they maximizing this?
For me, I cannot say that all of the people that has this one always maximizing this thing, because
Why?
as we can see that in reality there are some people that has the privilege, but
Mhm.
they like don't give a shit with that.
Uh-huh.
Like they don't care, and they just like follow the one or their friend that don't give any impact for themselves, just
Mhm.
because having fun.
Mhm.
Maybe because they showed in their family, for example, that
Uh-huh.
not like romantic family, so they how to say, sick of that thing.
Uh-huh.
So they just don't care about the privilege.
Mhm.
Even they can be whatever they want,
Uh-huh.
but in fact they don't care about that, and they become a naughty person.
You know, the people who have a privilege and not maximizing this, you know how jealous,
Yeah.
how jealous people who doesn't privilege. Oh
Of
my God!
course.
If I like him, like her, of course I will like this, I will like that, I will. Right?
Yes.
Is
of
it?
course.
But how come the people who have privilege doesn't maximizing this?
Yes.
Is unfortunately, I mean, sayang sekali,
Yeah.
right?
Unfortunately.
How do you think about people like that?
Yeah. Same as you say, like, because I feel that I'm not the one who has a privilege.
Yes.
So sometimes, not sometimes, but it's often that I
Uh-huh.
imagine how if I have this privilege, of course I can be whatever I want. I can school in here, school in
Yes.
the high quality of university,
Uh-huh.
and that's what I think that. And if I see someone who has this thing, oh, it's like, oh, how can you do that?
Oh, can
It's
we
not make
change?
sense.
Can we change?
Yeah, can we change?
I want to be the rich man in my province, for
Yeah.
example. Oh my God, can we change?
How fun
Okay.
is it?
Do you recognize them? I mean, on one of them that have a privilege but not maximizing this, or maybe not use it. Do you know? Do you know?
Yeah, I have a friend.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, we can say that my friend.
Just say A, B, C. Do not say his name. Or
Yeah,
her
I will
name.
not say the
Uh-huh,
name.
uh-huh.
I have a friend that his father has like a high position in a society.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but because of I don't know what make this one is don't care about that.
Uh-huh.
So they didn't like they can be someone I mean someone more than what he is now.
Mhm,
But
mhm.
but then he didn't be like that. He
Mhm.
chose another way and just so like not in a high quality of for example university because
Uh-huh.
he is my friend. I mean same.
Is she or is he?
He.
He.
It's male. So
Okay.
yeah, sometimes I think that if I in your position,
Uh-huh. Oh,
I will
pakinta ki.
be in this thing in this
Yes.
university.
Uh-huh.
But then yeah, that's life. Sometimes it's funny, but then we
Yeah.
cannot say anything.
Yeah, that's why in our previous topic, we call time machine.
Yeah, time machine.
We want to be reborn, right? To
Yes.
be rich, to be powerful, right? Okay, what about you, Wahid? Do you have maybe you recognize or you know people who have privilege and they don't use it as their privilege in your life?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah, I have.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, could you explain about his or her case why he or why she why they doesn't use why they not use this privilege?
Yeah, I have friends.
Mhm.
Yeah, yeah. He has like the privilege, but yeah, unfortunately,
Uh-huh.
they don't care. Hey, he doesn't care about it.
Mhm.
He just like have fun, um, have fun. Go to there. Don't continue. Don't study hard.
Mhm.
Like just like native absent
Yeah.
in the class.
Oh my God.
Like that.
Jalur ninja.
Yeah. If they have like a homework, yeah,
Uh-huh.
they go to the friends like I sometimes yeah he didn't do his homework.
Mhm, mhm.
Yeah, they just like having fun, having
They
fun.
ignore,
Yeah,
right? Ignoring.
ignoring.
I mean, like the facility, the privilege, the blessing from the God. They do not use it by good. They are not maximizing this, right?
Yeah.
But anyway, guys, about you, don't you want to ask me about this topic?
Yeah, I really want to know what is your experience about privilege. Maybe you have a friend, or what do you think about this topic, privilege?
Yeah, most of my friends, of course, they're using this. I'm difficult to find people. I mean, my friends who not use this. Yeah, they using this because they are very realistic also, but most of them are good friend and good peoples. That's why they use this privilege to help peoples in outside. Yeah, for example, like Ramadan, because they have privilege. Of course, they have a lot of money, and they buying many products to make a gift to their friends, right? To
Yeah.
give like also takjil and
Yeah.
bagi-bagi
Bagi-bagi takjil.
on the street, something like that, and also um, how to say give something money, some money for the kaum du'af or something like, because they have privilege. This is only one of actually, and the other side, of course, like second clothes, right? Because they have a lot of clothes in their cup, they just give to others peoples who very need about clothes, right? Special for anak yatim, something like that, and actually many things. But yeah, we cannot deny it. Also, I have also friend that who only like very enjoy. I mean, enjoy like it's not. He is or she is not concerned about their privilege. Only just go with the flow. Even they are kind men, but they just enjoy. They are not thinking about their privilege. Their look or their appearance is like simple, and they are not riding car, only riding the motors. But when we visiting to their home, my God, oh wow, this is your home? Yes, my home. Welcome to my gubuk. But he say or she say, welcome to my gubuk. But their home is wow. This is like a place. Do you have a question for me? Maybe you have.
Can I?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely.
I mean, when you same question, like when you see someone like your friend like
Uh-huh.
that
Uh-huh.
didn't maximizing this
Uh-huh.
thing,
Uh-huh.
what do you think?
Yes, and normally I'm a human being. Of course, I say just honestly to him or her that, hey, can we change position? Because you are not using it.
You directly say to him or her?
Pardon?
I mean, you directly say to him or her, like, can
I say
Oh.
directly. I mean, to be honest, hey, can we change? While we kidding, while we serious. I mean, both them serious and kidding are the same. Okay, but before we continue our interesting topic tonight, to make it deep, of course, we will be right back after this. Stay tuned with Smartfm 101.1.